First step first, you make your unga, then with my eggs. So first let me add sugar. So we've just added sugar, and again we are going to add salt. So after that, so we are adding salt. After there, I want to add a vanilla flavor taste. Yeah, we're going to add festive vanilla essence. Added the essence. Then also we're going to add baking powder. Fluffy. So this is pancake, and so I'm going to add the baking powder a little bit. Yeah, there we go. So you make sure you do it thoroughly. You can use a whisk if you have one, and make sure that your flour has mixed well with other ingredients: salt, sugar, flavor, vanilla essence, baking powder, and finally I'm going to add eggs. Yeah. There we go. We just added our egg and mix it thoroughly. Mix until you make sure that imeshikana yote vizuri. It has mixed well. This is amazing. This is a fire pancake. You're going to experience one of its kind. Hope you stay watching until you see the final product. Make sure that you don't make ugly pancakes. Make sure that you make soft and fluffy pancakes. So take lessons 1 or 2 from what I'm doing. You just copy what I'm doing by watching, and you can do it at home, because at Quick One Homemade we bring you weekly food inspiration videos, and this is one of the videos. So this is going to be a series also. So this is our episode 1 of pancakes. So we'll be doing different kind of pancakes, and we are starting with egg pancake made from eggs. So next time you will tell me in the comment section which one do you want next, which pancake do you want next for me to prepare, and I'll honorably do so. I will. So today we are going to make episode 1 of our pancake series. Tell me where you are watching from, which country or which place are you watching from. Pin your location in the comment section, and I'll be glad to reply each and every one of you and make acquaintance, start our communication from there. we are still preparing our dough. Yeah, we are still preparing our unga. Yeah, so I'm still preparing the unga. Today we are going to make pancake made from eggs. I mixed with the eggs, and they are going to be so fluffy, soft and delicious. Hope you watch to the end and you will be surprised. Enjoy. So we are starting cooking, and first thing you're supposed to have 3 spoons. First one is a big spoon. This one is for measurement, and the smaller spoon is for spreading, and this spoon is for adding oil and rotating. So first step, let me measure. So I'm gonna use 2 each. And then this one is to spread around. Make sure that you have a round pancake, a very good shape, not shapeless. See that? This one is for spreading. Spread all around. Make sure it's same size in thickness. Yeah. So there we have it, our round pancake, and well spread. It smells so nice. I can smell the essence, vanilla essence from far. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy.